TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here. This is the Tiger Financial News Network, 10 a.m. market update. And on this 21st day of July, Wednesday, the Dow's up 260 at 34,775. You can see by this rising wedge formation, where we plunged below it to the 33,981 level, we've come back in what I call a gray leg A to the upside, right to that trend line resistance. We fill the gap. Really good action. Weekly chart continues in this rectangle formation. The S&P, so the Dow is up 0.81%. The S&P is up 0.6%, up 26 at 43.49. It also has a very good pattern. Now I can draw in this declining trend line for what we call the Chapman wave falling axe formation. I'll talk about that in my show coming up. Does it break above? What does it do? How does it do that? Does it go one-to-one to the upside? This is a leg D, and the weekly chart it continues the leg D if it goes to 43.93.69, 1 penny above the previous all-time high. Otherwise, it makes this peak D, and then we've got to watch it closely. QQQ, NDX 100. Now, this is going to be really interesting. Up only 0.19%, up 67 cents at 359.44. It did break out of that resistance, but it's really struggling here. Very interesting divergence, because if you look at the IWM, again, for another day, it's the better percentage gainer, up 1.6%, up 3.58 at 221.88. Now, let's do these quickly. Gold is pulling back some. It's down 7. It's within a range. I'm going to be talking about it. I had some questions for my Tiger Technicians Hour from subscribers, so I'll be doing that live in a few minutes. So gold is holding okay. The dollar is the one that's really moving very nicely. It's made another new recovery high. 93.44 is the left side target in this big arch from cup formation, and it's gone to a high today of 93.19, and it's the TLT, which has given an island reversal gap down from a peak D in the Chapman wave methodology. It is down 1.82 at 148.18, meaning yields are starting to rise, and that's impacting the XLF, the financial S&P Spider Fund, positively. I'll be back in a few minutes. We'll talk about a lot of these things. It's really an important phase in the market. Basil Chapman, Tiger Technicians Hour coming up. Check out my opening call daily newsletter. Be back in a moment.